To use the glucose meter, first take your test strip. Place the black end into the device. The device should automatically turn on. Then prepare your finger by pushing blood towards the end of it. Having already set up your lancing device, prick your finger and again squeeze blood towards the end of your finger. You should see a drop of blood. Wipe this first droplet away and repeat the process. Remember, always use the second droplet of blood to avoid any misreadings. Then hold the device vertically and place the test strip onto the blood sample. This will begin a countdown and then your result will be displayed. Use a tissue to remove any remaining blood.